Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about one of the small problem which the Oneplus Nord 2 is facing right now. Yes friends, just today morning we did receive software update in the Oneplus Nord 2 device, and after that the dual apps functionality is not working in this Oneplus Nord 2 anymore. Yes, so I thought of sleeping, and before sleeping I did went through all the comments and I did see this kind of issue a lot of users actually raised. So I thought of making a video and which might be really helpful for other users as well who are actually facing this kind of issue, that you should know you're not alone with this kind of problem. So I think most of the Oneplus Nord 2 users are facing this kind of issue. I'll try to explain exactly what is the problem. So first, try to go to the settings option and try to search for the dual apps, or which is also called as the app cloner as well. So let me go to the app management, and here you can find the cloning application. As you can see, try to tap on this app cloner, and now you cannot see any applications whatever you installed. So I did install Facebook and I did install Instagram. Let me show you. As you can see, Facebook and Instagram, WhatsApp, everything is there installed in this phone in the Oneplus Nord 2. But after the software update, which is automatic software update, so without your permission itself, the phone completely got restarted and installed the software update without even asking any kind of permission. From that moment, I think most of the users, they are actually facing this kind of issue in this device, which is an app cloner is not working. So let me compare with the Realme X1 Max. So this is a Realme X1 Max. We do know the ColorOS and OnePlus is kind of really same. Let me show you exactly how the option should be displaying. So this is the app cloner, and here you will be able to see all these kind of options. So same thing, the Oneplus Nord 2 should display all the options like Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp, whatever you installed, but it's not working at all at this moment. So I think most of the people will be facing this kind of issue, and let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your thoughts, and hopefully this might get fixed maybe very soon, as soon as possible. Let's see. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. I'll then stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.